Hey guys, it's Josh. Happy Thursday to you out here in sunny San Diego. It's actually not too sunny today, if you can see back there. It's got a beautiful view of the hotel room. I'll try to get a clip of it here in a second. Looking that way, I'm looking down into San Diego Padre Stadium. Over here we got the Gaslamp district, downtown San Diego. Got the marina over here, and then my yacht parked out back there. That yacht never moves, it's super crazy. But guys, so I'm out here at Scale and Escape, awesome real estate event. Gathering as much knowledge as I can, meeting some cool people. Jesse Itzler's out here, one of the owners of the Atlanta Hawks. His wife is the founder of Spanx. Who else is going to be out here? Tony Hawk's out here. It's going to be absolutely awesome. Can't wait to see Tony, and actually going to be hanging out with him a little bit tonight. But anyways, guys, I wanted to take a quick time out and pause, shoot a quick video for everybody out there. So you're probably following along because you like real estate, you want to do more real estate deals. Maybe you're already doing deals and you want to do a whole bunch more. Maybe you're trying to get your first deal, and that's cool. I've been at the stage where I was in the info stage trying to figure out how all this works. I've been at the stage where I thought, okay, I have the knowledge, now I just need to get my first deal. I've been at the stage where I had some deals and I'm like, now I'm going crazy and I need a team and I need help because I really just own a job. And so if you're out there, you're trying to get your first deal, or you're trying to get consistent deals, or maybe you even have consistent deals already and you're trying to get a team to get out of the rat race because you're driving yourself crazy doing everything, right? Wherever you're at, I'm super pumped that you guys joined on today to check this out. So I want to talk today about one topic, but it's kind of two, okay? And it's traffic and conversion, all right? So if you're out here trying to get deals, or you're doing deals, you want more deals, right? There's two ways to get new deals. Right, and it all comes down to this, and really this is true not only for just real estate, but really for anything. Okay, like almost all business is marketing and sales, right? So the first way that you're going to get deals, more deals, right, is to get traffic, which means essentially to get more leads. And then the second way is to get better at conversion, which essentially means to close leads, right? So if you don't have enough traffic, you're just not going to get enough deals. Now you need to have a goal. Every month, I'm going to get X number of traffic, right? So if you're selling on something online, you need X amount of people coming through to your website, hitting your landing page, right? Whatever. If you're trying to get real estate deals, you need X amount of leads. Now those leads can be from direct mail, those leads can be from cold calling on steroids, those leads can be from pay-per-click, those leads can be from your meetup, those leads can be from the MLS, those leads can be from bandit signs, those leads can be from Facebook group posting, those leads can be from, what else is there? I'm sure there's plenty of other ways. Those are the big ways that I've done every single thing I just said. I have done at least a dozen deals from or more, right? So bandit signs probably haven't done much more than a dozen. Facebook posting, Craigslist posting, and free groups, stuff like that, probably done a couple dozen. Cold calling on steroids, I've done over 1,000 deals. Direct mail, over 1,000 deals. Pay-per-click, I think we're approaching 1,000 deals. So a ton of deals, right? And that's traffic. So if you're sitting here, you're watching this video going, I have no idea how I could get 10 leads this week, let alone 100 deals, or I'm sorry, let alone 100 leads this month, you have a traffic problem. Okay, now a lot of people have a traffic and a conversion problem, but don't worry about the conversion problem if you haven't figured out the traffic problem, right? Because you will cap real quick. If you are great at conversion, but you don't know how to generate traffic, you're gonna own your job for a long time, because it's gonna get hard to get to a place where you can afford to keep driving in, right? That traffic, because as soon as you start driving in all that traffic, all of a sudden you're going to take your eye off conversion, and it's actually going to make your problem worse, because now you're going to be spending a whole bunch of money and probably converting less leads. Joshua Gayman, and I flip houses right here in the Phoenix market. 100% of the deals that I do are wholesale transactions, and people are always asking me, Josh, how do you get deals like this? I'm going to show you step by step how I do this, how I acquire houses that are off market at a discount for less than they're worth and make a ton of money quickly flipping them to other buyers right in that very same market. Now guys, there's steps on marketing, there's steps on sales, there's steps on growing the business. All of this has allowed me to build a lifestyle that I can enjoy taking my kids on trips, my family on vacations, having an awesome house, cars, everything that I've wanted, the life of my dreams, and I want the same for you. So click the subscribe button, hit the little bell right here on YouTube so you get all the notifications, and follow along with this journey. We're also on Instagram at highgross14, and I can't wait to connect with you. Right? So you gotta hammer traffic. And when I actually got into this business, I was so good at conversion from my background in the car business that it actually held me back for several years, because I got into prospecting. I would go to the homeowner, I would knock on doors, I would do all these things that didn't cost money, thinking I'm crushing it because my deals don't cost any money. And I would do 2 or 3 deals a month, right? But what I couldn't do is I couldn't grow. I couldn't get out of that grind, right? So you got to figure out where you want to be now. If you want to be at a place where you're doing 3, 4, 5 deals a month and you want to do it all by yourself, then that's great, okay? Now in that case, you're not gonna need as much traffic. But if you wanna really own a business and you wanna have a life where you can travel and go to events and learn new things and start new businesses and keep everything going, you are 100% gonna need traffic, because you will not be able to sustain off just being a good closer. Okay, now in addition to being good at creating leads, then from there, you gotta know how to convert those leads, right? So all the leads in the world aren't gonna do you any good if you can't close them. Like I was saying, it'll actually make it worse. And one of the things I teach all my students is that, look, you gotta watch your conversion, you gotta get to a baseline conversion level, right? So in my business, that's 1 in 15 leads. In some people's businesses, that might be 1 in 25 or 1 in 45 leads. But if you're not into a baseline level where you know I can produce these leads, convert this many of them out of that many, right? So if you don't know I can convert at least 1 deal out of 50 leads, right? And you're not sure what that number is, and you turn it up and now you're getting 500 leads, right? How do you know you're even getting more deals, right? So essentially, let's say you do, let me break this down, use an example. So they do, 50 leads last month, and they write 4 deals, right? That's incredible. They're closing 1 in 12 leads. That's a really good number. We've done better than that for weeks, quarters, months, and even years on certain marketing methods, lead sources, right? But that would be really good, 1 in 12. Well, what happens if that person goes, hey, I did 4 deals this month on 50 leads, so I'm gonna crank it up, I'm gonna pay for 200 leads, I'm just gonna put more money into bandit signs, pay-per-click, direct mail, Google pay-per-click, whatever you're doing, right? Cold calling on steroids, and you go up to 200 leads. Well, a lot of times what'll happen is that person will go from doing 4 deals to 2 or 3 deals. Why? If they don't have their conversion problem solved, because the things they were doing on those 50 leads, right, they were doing because they had the time. Shoot, I better call that person back, or I'm just gonna take the day off, and I know I shouldn't take the day off. Well, as soon as you have 200 leads, you're going, well, I can't call that person back because I've got these 10 other leads I haven't touched yet. So you're just burning through all the more leads quicker. You're not going in depth. You're not going back and recomping the property, calling them back, saying, wait a minute, this just doesn't make sense. You said this, this, and this, which is the solution to that is my wholesale offer, but yet you're still gonna have a realtor come tomorrow like, why are you doing that? And you'll just keep going thinking you're gonna make it up in volume, and you won't. So guys, they're both super important, traffic and conversion. So what I would encourage you to do, guys, I'm gonna kind of wrap this up, know that there's 2 things you gotta focus on: more leads and converting more of those leads into deals. And then the way that you're gonna do that is you are going to learn marketing. Figure it out, right? You're gonna have to plug in, you're gonna have to go to events, you're gonna have to go to courses, you're gonna have to, or buy courses, you're gonna have to, now I'm not saying go out there and just spend money, right? There's actually a ton of stuff on YouTube, but you do have to plug into people that you actually know for a fact are doing deals, are living out what they're teaching, what they're doing. So a lot of people that come out and teach something that they did for a week and had some success, and they really don't know how to duplicate it, scale it, why it's working, if it even will work again, or if they just got lucky. So guys, make sure that you're always getting better at getting more traffic. And at the same time that you're always getting better at converting more of that traffic, and not only just converting it, but there's 2 sides to conversion, right? There's getting more deals out of the leads you're getting, and then there's making more money on those deals. And I've always said that the easiest place to find more profit in your business is in the existing deals that you're already doing. Okay, goes back to when I was in the car business. I was never usually the top guy in volume as far as units sold per month, but I always crushed it in gross profit. I got to know my leads, I understood what was going on, right? And then that kind of worked against me when I got into real estate, like I said, because then I didn't focus on the traffic as much. I relied on the conversion. Well, guess what? You'll go if you only are good at traffic and you can't convert, you're gonna go bankrupt. And if you can only convert but you can't create any traffic, you're probably going to go bankrupt too, because you're just not going to be able to make enough money. So what I encourage you guys is to become students of traffic, become students of conversion, and stay at it. You're going to get better every single day. Have a process, have a system for what you're doing, both to get leads and for how to convert those leads. And if you don't have a process and a system, and you can't work the math backwards and go, well, I convert 1 lead out of 1 deal out of 20 leads, and know how to turn it up from doing 20 leads to 100 leads, right? Then if you don't know those stats, you don't know how to track that stuff, or you're just not tracking it, or you don't even if you know how to track, I don't know how to convert better, I don't know how to, then you just got to study. You got to plug in. You got to put in the work. There's going to be people out there saying it's easy. Guys, guess what? There is no shortcut. Cold calling on steroids is the best thing that's ever happened to wholesale real estate to make deals and leads more affordable. But if you have cold calling on steroids, and even if you do everything correctly with cold calling on steroids and you don't know how to convert, you're gonna go bankrupt, right? Just like anything else. So guys, traffic, conversions, just one of the many topics we're gonna be touching on Miami here in a couple months, August 22nd, 23rd. So if you haven't had a chance, definitely check that out. We've got a few seats left, crushcitymiami.com. Guys, go out there and work on your traffic, go out there and work on your conversion, and I'll see you guys in Miami. Peace out.